So good day, MJ. So I am VG Dranseman B73. So this is my final activity for in Arduino, which is the joystick in lesson 26. So first things first, we're gonna, as we proceed to the code. So so this is the code. So we have here the constant in SW pin is equals to 2. So digital pin connected to SW. So to SW, then we have here also the constant in X pin is equals to 0. So analog pin that connect to VRX or horizontal movement in our joystick. So also the const int Y pin is equals to 1, analog pin that nakakonect po siya sa vertical movement sa joystick. So so we proceed, no, we have here the void setup. So in this case is to pin mode, SW pin input. So in this case is to set our SW pin as an input and to read sa signal gikan sa joystick button. And then we have here also the digital write SW pin high. So in this area is to enable an internal pull up resistor, and para nakakuha siya ng stable ang button reading, then meaning is that default high siya unless i-press ang joystick. So that's the meaning of digital write in this code. So the serial begin 9600. So serial communication to para makita na to ang value sa serial monitor. So in the next step is the void loop. So in this step is to serial print X, then print in the serial monitor. So serial print analog read X pin X horizontal movement serial print analog read. So in this case is to read the analog value X pin to horizontal movement sa joystick, then nag-range siya usually gikan sa 0 to 1023 and nagdepende siya sa position sa joystick. So serial print Y, then so then print label para sa Y value, and then serial print analog read Y pin, then print label para sa switch button value sa atong serial print Z. So we have here also the serial print line digital read SW pin. So low is gi-press on joystick, so high is wala gi-press, then basahon ang state sa joystick button in this area. So delay to 50. So delay gamay para dili paspas kayo ang printing sa serial monitor. So let's proceed sa the output sa. So this is our output, no, our wiring diagram, and that's all.